BJP leader Ashwant Narayana voiced opposition to the Karnataka government's decision to rename Bangalore City University after former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. He argued that instead of altering the identity of an existing institution, the government should have established a new university in Singh's name to genuinely expand educational opportunities. The renaming formalized through the Karnataka State Universities Act 2025 has sparked political debate, with the BJP leaders suggesting the move lacks vision and undermines local legacy.
For the stature of Dr. Manmohan Singh, the Congress government in the state of Karnataka, they should have come out with a very innovative, a forward-looking institution which would have suited for the stature of the Dr. Manmohan Singh, and it would have contributed also a gift to the people of Karnataka or for entire country to look up for their better education, better opportunity in the terms of quality of international standard institution could have been set up. Instead of renaming the city university, the government could have justice to Dr. Manmohan Singh as well as to the people in his name. We would have got a good institution, a good opportunity. Probably that would have been the most ideal contribution or recognition to Dr. Manmohan Singh. Anyhow, they have done the renaming. We have got no issues. But appropriately, what was appropriate to do from the state government, they have not done it. Anyhow, we welcome. He's a great man of a great stature. We appreciate Dr. Manmohan Singh's immense contribution.
Sir, one more bill of gig workers' welfare has been passed in Assembly. Do you think it's a much needed bill for the gig workers' welfare?
Definitely, the gig workers bill is much needed, but it's not complete. It is just, just passing the buck only between a gig worker and a aggregator, trying to bring in some kind of regulation. But the state government, since it is creating a lot of jobs have been created, it is going to benefit lakhs together. Even they give a lot of concession, investment benefits, incentive to many companies, many land, water, production incentives, PLI, many incentives are given. Here the government, at least for those gig workers, the matching contribution should have been given by the government of Karnataka. That would have been the ideal and most appropriate thing, and as well as bring in all the welfare boards working for the welfare of many sections of society and empowering the women, reaching out to the women, training them, inducting them, facilitating their participation, their involvement, and becoming a gig worker in a flexible way would have been also good. They should make more efforts. It has been more a small beginning, but the government could have done much more, which has not happened. Anyhow, we have we have suggested the government to come out with all these right things and for the state.